I'm Jessica.
And I'm Kira.
And we are
the Keepers of the Books.
Your online librarians. And we are here with another Kids Keepers episode.
Yay.
Our puppy guest today is Mrs. Squirrel again.
Hello, boys and girls. It's so good to be here today.
And last time we opened an acorn with a Li'l Woodzeez, but I knew I bought some more. There are a lot of toys, so you can hear that. But Mrs. Squirrel, maybe you want to look for a familiar shape again.
Oh yes, another acorn would be fun. I hung the other one from the tree.
Did your kids like that one?
Yes, they play with it.
But they didn't eat it.
No.
Good, good, good. They shouldn't be eating plastic. Okay, reach in and grab another toy.
Oh, got it. I think I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Help. I'm stuck.
There we go.
Oh.
This one has a purple lid. You found the other acorn. You were looking pretty hard for this, weren't you?
Yes.
We have another mystery Woodzeez.
Oh,
Bobblehead.
so cute. Oh, hurry. Open it, Jess. Open it.
Okay, we'll open it really fast. Okay, and remember, there's all kinds of these. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, I dropped it. Remember, there's all kinds of these to collect. This one, oh,
Jessica, why do you always drop them? Always, Jessica.
I know, I really have a bad habit of dropping all the toys, Mrs. Squirrel.
Yes, you do.
Oh.
We have a little frog. She's common.
Oh, she's cute
Her
though.
name is Farley. Look how cute she is.
She is so darling.
One little speckled
Speckled frog
frog
sat on a speckled log,
eating the most
delicious
delicious bugs.
Yum yum.
So you think it's story time around here, as usual. All right, she has a cute little lily, or no, it's just a flower.
Jessica and Kira, would you do story time for my children? Would you come to my tree?
Sure.
Of course. We'll even do a squirrel
She does
story
have some
time.
speckles on her head and a little heart dress. She's so
Aw.
cute. Mrs. Frog, should we open one more while Kira named Mrs. Frog?
Oh, yes,
Mrs.
yes.
Squirrel.
Yes, let's see if we can find one more in that big box of yours.
Okay, I think I had one more acorn in there, but Kira needs to name some books about frogs.
Okay. So for froggies, you want to try Froggy Gets Dressed by London.
I know one.
You do?
Wide mouth frog.
Yes, you do.
Oh,
Who
I
else?
love that book.
Dean.
By Keith Faulkner.
This is what I get for being the teen librarian. Okay, Mrs. Squirrel, go ahead and grab them. See if you can find another acorn in there with all the other toys.
Oh, it's dark in this box. Oh, there's all kind of stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, good. Help me, Jessica. Find that acorn.
Uh-oh. That was the bottom of this one.
Naughty, naughty, Jessica.
Okay, I may have cheated. I found the other acorn for you.
Thank you.
We wouldn't want her to not be the guest and we find it.
I know, because I actually did get these just for you, Mrs. Squirrel.
Yeah.
That was very
I believe
polite
it.
of you. I love a girl with manners.
Okay.
Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it.
It's
It's a puppy!
a puppy. That is a cute little puppy with his hat and his big outfit. Look at the puppy.
Oh, so fun. So fun.
Do you want to give him hugs? Okay, you give him hugs. His name is Donut.
Donut?
He is Donut the dog, and he is common, but we don't care because they're so super cute.
But you should never feed a dog a donut.
No, you should not.
Well, I know a book about a dog and a donut.
Yeah, if you give a dog a donut.
Yeah.
Mine learned Nimrod.
Yep, and you give mice cookies and
And pig's pancakes and moose's muffins.
yeah.
And you even take Mouse to the movies.
So,
and
Karen,
give him some popcorn.
name some other books besides If You Give a Dog a Donut about puppy dogs for our
Oh,
viewers.
he's so cute. Bark, George. My absolute favorite picture book about dogs. It's about a little doggy who can't bark. And it's really funny the reason why he can't bark, but that would be a spoiler.
Okay, and another one.
And of course you gotta check out the 636 section. in the library for doggy books on how to take care of your puppy.
I think we need another
And
fiction
golden
book.
retrievers. Oh yes, and Magic Puppy to go with the Magic Key that I mentioned last time, and Puppy Place, and Critter Club.
She
And
could,
that's a lot of puppies and doggies.
and she could go on forever naming puppy books, I'm sure.
Yeah, I
Especially
like
if we
them
could
when they're
all the
too
picture
much.
books.
Yeah, but we don't want to be late for dinner.
No, let's
No,
put
we
these
don't.
in their little. They're containers because they're so cute, and then you can go hang these on the tree for your children again.
They will like that very much. Thank you, thank you.
One,
Thank you.
and here's two.
Two.
Oh, I know a book.
What?
I know a whole series. Oh yes, I love the Heartwood Hotel series.
That's cute.
Those would be perfect for all of these creatures. If you haven't read Heartwood Hotel, you need to read it. And maybe if it's too hard, maybe you should do it as a bedtime story.
Oh, and don't forget the one that's iJack. And it has excerpts and opinions from the kitty cats
About the puppy dogs.
about the puppy dog
That
named
could be
Jack.
very funny. All right.
Alrighty. Let's
So again, in the comments below, if you look these up, which creature are you hoping to get? There are 2 ducks. I was really hoping we'd get a ducky for Kira. That's her. Kira loves duckies.
Me too. I love it.
Anyways, until next time, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you actually do get the notifications. And until next time, happy
Happy reading.
reading.